All right, guys. So the drama continues between Lord of Lemon and his aunties. I don't even understand. I don't even understand. Lemon, do you really want to sign this divorce paper or not? Does it call for your aunties to be there before you sign the divorce paper? Do you truly want to sign this divorce paper? Your aunties must not be there before you sign the divorce paper. As usual, you set your camera and sign it in your room. Voila. Why do you have to call your aunties from the village to come and so that you will sign the divorce paper? Do you really think about your mental health all this while? Even Mary's mental health. I don't know what you are playing. I don't know what you are dragging. When you took her to the to court to wed her, don't you know the situation? Don't you know how the court works? I don't even understand. All right, guys. So let me allow you guys
All this
to
thing, Victor, all
watch
this
the
thing.
video,
Oh,
and
yeah,
also
they
please
say,
try
oh,
to
no, put
drop
their phone.
your opinion
You
in
just
the
put it in
comment
the
section
phone.
because
You
I
don't
don't
know
even
when
really
Victor,
understand
oh,
this
no,
man
no,
behaving.
put their phone.
He's
As a
just
matter of
fooling
fact,
himself.
everybody
Yes,
online
I can
notices
say
anything
that.
Na
like
na
that.
NSA ba toilet
Thank you,
sape
He did online. Auntie, let's stop being dramatic.
dramatic
You
gini.
people are being
What
dramatic.
akili apa?
Yeah, for the family and then na phone. Don't go no. That's na phone me again.
Really say to committee.
Auntie, it's what I decide in my life.
Jebe kele bi.
They have to go with your phone now.
Everything is going to be
Jebe
online.
kele
Baba, and then
Ike what akili ade
you
on.
can't carry an iPhone online. How
How
can you go online? They
Everything
go
is
to
going
phone
to be
now.
online. Is what I
Mo
decide
bi ni
in
bulu
my
phone.
life.
Make really phone. You ba go gba phone. Oya ki bi aligide ma mo eji we brain gi. Ina ebu phone. Get on and
As again, now one that lady job today. I'm going to your money phone. What job today?
if you on answer.
How quite it over weekend. Cheru kan ka wata kan ko ne na cheru ko ya ko. Cheru ko ko ni for chori me. How quite it kita weekend gini.
Like,
David, as ma ko it kita
I don't
weekend
like
gini.
Auntie C. I don't like the way you're shouting. Talk to me, calm. I will
David, don't you
How quite it
Don't shout
weekend gini.
people around. I don't talk like this several times.
Yes, what I'm not document that come and walk inside and sign Ifa o.
So
Eh.
So,
If
Mary,
you tell-
actually,
you tell-
the main problem is
Yeah.
that Mary served me these documents before we started having issues. Like, before these issues escalate.
So if you dey who
At the
na
point-
our if my property want to be
Auntie, allow me talk now. At the point, I thought that this document was fake, but not till I went to the federal
Owe
high
ki
court.
na ma le mo bla le gbogi na pa. Owe oke won ko. Owe ni ku te ki na mo bla ka eje gbogi na. I thought is fake.
Lekwe. Mo ki fu ife nwanne gi nwan mo.
Mo bu na keje.
Chere-
Gini bunka.
Wait, I want to sign the papers. Chere can sign. Wait.
Ti na fukwa o.
Paper boost stamp ki na cinema.
Sheke.
Nwa school ga o na gini.
Wait, I want to sign the
Oh,
papers.
don't be-
I want to sign the
Owe na make.
papers.
Owe na mo ka kele.
Chere, go do it first.
Never
Wait, no, stop.
Ekwe na ko to turu. Ane koko le koko iwo pte.
What is my name? Oge na me wa.
Ana ka te ha pa e sign na document nyu wa Yoruba.
Auntie, give me that papers. Auntie, like, honestly, give me the papers. Auntie, give me the documents. Give me that documents. I want to sign. People don't understand how. People don't understand how fast it is. Give me that document. I want to sign it. Auntie, give me that document. I want to sign this document. Give me the papers. Give me the paper. I don't have all these things now. I don't have all these things now. I don't have all these things now. Why is everybody Why is no one talking about me? Why are you talking about me? Why are you not talking about me? Why are you not talking about me? Why is everything property? If you want to take everything, you should take everything and go. go. I am tired. I don't want anything again.
David, you are too tired. I'm going to
Take everything and go.
Give
Give me them sign it. See. Or another man ask for days. Or another man ask for days now.
I got never.
Or another man ask for days now. Give me this make I sign. The fact that nobody cares about my mental health. Nobody cares about my mental health. Tell me for you. Tell me for you. All of the property. What if I do? What if I don't come? You want to be able to do again? What if you not see me again? What if you not see me again? What if I not see me again? I think I'm tired. I want to sign it and let her take all the properties, but the one I brought in her name, but the one I bought in her name, take it and go. I am tired. I am tired. I don't want it anymore. I don't think they come since. I don't think they come since. Everybody's about property. Alex, you hear the auntie voice? Alex, the auntie dey here since over how many days now, eh? And the thing I say, me, I'm sick and tired of all this matter. I want to sign this paper and let me have my peace. Let me have my peace. I was telling them about it. Let me have my peace. Let me have my peace. I am tired. I am tired. Auntie Biko. No, do ala Biko. Sit one place. Auntie, please sit one place. You don't care about my life or property. You don't care about my life or property. So I'll be so afraid that I will be having property. You take everything. Let Mary take all the property and go. Let Mary take everything and go. You don't want any family member to come to this house. You see, one don't want any family member to come to this house. They're pressuring me. I tell you this thing. This is the main reason I don't want any family member to come to this house. I don't want them. I don't want them. Alex, keep on asking me documents. Can I care anything they want? May I care? Can I care? No, back to say that. What? What's this guy saying? Because them that thing. Don't enter that room. No, don't enter that room. You guys are passing your boundary. Leave her. Anywhere she get, maybe they carry her bag. No, Wait.
Look at how many when they get BP.
Auntie, Cherogodi.
Wait
now. She's going to come and take her bag by herself. You going in there throwing her things is wrong. She's coming. They are coming. Probably today or tomorrow.
She's coming. Okana sign the document. What can Metunia Kanunu? Metunia Kakaifu.
Madam, you are being dramatic. Excuse me, I beg. You see what no one man come here? You see what no one man here?
Sign this document.
Right now, I'm ready to sign this thing. Make she go. Make she leave my life alone.
Everything. When you know why in the name of love, everything.
In a picky up from a video. Oh, say I don't ever open on 100 years. I must sign here. Oh, you don't wear.
When you found a sign, I signed.
Didn't get it.
Oh, when you found a sign,
Bolos of them cut wedding. How many going came a cut wedding? Bolos of papa, cut wedding. Love.
On the cocoa love.
Hey, hello. Emily, what nine or bottle?
I'm a walk. Oh,
Diego.
This time around, I'll put her in that bottle.
Wherever in a
I mean, no, I'm not there for any bottle. Can I just have this paper?
Oh, you know what I'm have a bottle.
I've got the Omadi phone, maybe.
Can I have this paper?
They will learn
Oh, they go the documents, everything.
Now, well,
oh, they go when keep on
oh, my uncle, the
Siri, then there's a
Mary.
Oh, Nanny,
no, and they get me wrong. Like, I don't want this girl.
Hey, keep me David,
hello. David, get document. I'm going to get document. I want to.